outside, but the way my camera angle is set up, you won't be able to see it, so. Okay, straight line.
Oh. Guess this comb is now a 2.
Should work that down with that towel just in case so it doesn't pull off like if you close your door.
It's alright, Steph. I just tossed the shit in.
No. Someone needs gloves.
And you said it's just gonna cut?
It basically like perforates it and then you break it.
That's hard.
No, trace it.
I did.
Oh, and then bend it and it should like break.
Oh, gotcha.
It looks like solid. You did that.
I did that.
This shit's gonna be crooked. That's cool. Nice, right?
Yeah.
We got some real floors in this bitch. Oh, it's gonna look so good.
It is. They're gonna come back over here, I think.
I don't know.
Call myself.
Alright, I think I got the van situated so that I can paint. Never painted before, but this paint has the primer and paint in one, so at least I can do it all at once. So I don't know what I'm doing. I put a sheet down. Sorry, Mom, this is yours, but life happens. I don't really care about if the actual van part gets wet, paint on it, but for the floors, we'll mark the edges. I should have probably ordered whiter, but, you know, as I say, life happens. I'm just gonna put the blanket right up to this so it won't touch either way. So I have it down here, and then put it up this side. Okay, they made sure to tell me to make sure that I take the painter's tape up, because I guess she just knew I was gonna fuck it up. Thanks, kid. Okay, that's not right. Okay, so I put this tape along the strip so it doesn't get on the actual van. This tape sucks. Or it's the sheet. Once again, sorry, Mom. I just want to see what it looks like. I already started splattering shit. So the lady at the store said the first kind of pass through might absorb the wood. I mean, the wood will probably absorb it because this is primer and like paint. So, and it's, the wood's untreated, I think. I don't really know. Okay. Okay, I look stupid. But like, I have this other one that's a different material, but like, this looks all textured-y, and I don't really like that. Let me see if I can show you. I don't even know. Oh yeah, so you can see like it looks like textured versus painted with the brush. I'm gonna show with the brush. The brush looks smooth, and the roller thing looks all textured-y. I do not like that. This one says it's for semi-smooth to semi-rough. Oh fuck. Okay. This one is smooth to semi-smooth. So maybe I should just trade out the brush thing on it. Or maybe I should put more paint on it. Okay, I think I'm putting it. So maybe if I... Oh, next. Okay, push this up because I'm fucking up. Oh, I got it on the paper. Okay. Yes. Some Walmart beach towel. 2 for $5, doesn't matter. Okay. So I'm gonna just go with the brush for now. Just take longer. Leave it to me to make that shit go all the way up my arm. But I did this side. It's looking alright. That's just one coat, a layer, whatever. The ceiling is still like the wood, birch plywood color. It's mostly, the thing was to get that one painted so that my cabinets can be mounted tomorrow. Then I'll do another coat over the top. So I'm happy with how it came out. You can see like I make a mess in everything that I do.
Probably should have did this first, but you know, it's fine.